chapter number 1, which is metals in our surroundings. In that chapter, we have learned about the solubility of different liquids. How the particular liquid dissolved in a particular solvent, that is known as the solubility. We know that water is a universal solvent. What is the meaning of universal solvent? Universal solvents are those solvents in which every substance can easily dissolve. Here, water is also known as polar solvent. Polar solvent means those solvents which have a charge separation. I am taking this refined oil first in the first beaker. Now, this beaker contains non-polar solvent, which is known as organic solvent. For example, now I am taking the food colors. Actually, food colors are totally water-based. Water is a polar solvent. It means food colors are also polar in nature. Look at the color. It does not dissolve in the non-polar solvent, or it is made up of non-polar solvent. Drops are settled down at the base of the refined oil, which shows that it is non-polar solvent. Now, we can dissolve these food colors into the polar solvent. Now, look at the second beaker. Now, this is water. This is a polar solvent. Now I am adding this refined oil into the polar solvent very slowly. Yes, look at the beaker. Oil from a totally different layer. Now these food colors slowly dissolved into the polar solvent. Look at the color of the water. It changes into blue color because this refined oil also contains blue food color. Look at the picture. Slowly the colors which are present in the refined oil, because they are polar in nature, that's why they come down to the water and show the solubility. It means if this phenomena is light dissolves light. Experiment is totally based on density. Anyone knows what is the meaning of density? Anyone? Class 9? Anyone knows the meaning of density? Very good. Density is mass per unit volume. Density. Solid. Solid has the highest density, then liquid, and the lowest density is present in gaseous. Research people, I am taking a simple water. This is a simple water. This is boiled egg. Clear? I am putting this egg into the water. Will it float or sink into the water? Sink, because this egg has higher density as compared to the water. Now, to increase the density of this water, I am adding 2 to 3 spoons of salt. Slowly the salt dissolves into the water without increasing the volume of water. What is the reason? Reason is diffusion. By adding the salt, we have increased the density of the water. Same as the seawater. Seawater contains more salt. That's why the density of seawater is more as compared to the normal water. Now, again, I am taking this second boiled egg, putting this boiled egg into the salt water. Within single flows. Reason being, now the density of water is more as compared to the egg. And the live example of this is Dead Sea of Israel, which is commonly contains 120% of sodium chloride or different salts. That's why the density of that sea is more as compared to the normal seas. And everything which is put into that Dead Sea, it flows on the surface of water. That is the best example of higher density, which is commonly available in the daily life. That's all for the today's experiment. Any inquiry, that is most welcome. These activities are structured and visual activities. These activities will enhance your knowledge which has been given in your curriculum. And today's both activities are from the first chapter.